With an Airstream Caravelle 20FB. There is no roughing it with this package. This is Ford's newest truck, FX4 package, 36-gallon fuel tank, has the 400 horsepower EcoBoost, and it comes in lead foot gray, which is my favorite color, and a spacious kitchen with premium appliances.
And like every Omaze giveaway, your donations support a charity.
And this time it's the Independence Fund, which is committed to helping our country's catastrophically wounded, injured, or ill veterans. They help them overcome the best ones I think Omaze has ever come up with. So check it out after the video by clicking the links in the description below. But for now, guys, let's get to the live action.
Hell yeah, brother. You're on the Please Confirm YouTube channel.
Look at how freaking peaceful. And I kind of want to get a really cool one. So if anybody's got a flagpole recommendation, let me know. But man, is it freaking peaceful in the mornings here. I love it. Right when the sun's coming up, the Freedom Factory is like the most peaceful place.
Did you notice this? That his light bar's Texas edition?
Nice. Oh, that's clean. All right, so guys, El Cromino was sitting here, and Nate, Dr. Toom, what do you think about this? Is that good?
Yes. Courtesy Bunker branding.
Yeah. This one's fine.
Yes,
They just had loose lug nuts, dude. That'll get you every time.
Sometimes you gotta
We can use a hub dyno because then we don't even got to worry about that trashed wheel. And those things probably would make terrible power anyway.
pull a wild giraffe running. That was a giraffe in the forest running, dude. It was a friend.
Well, the intake's down there, but we could pop that off if we need to give her a little nitrous. Say it's 550, we might need to bump it to 600, you know what I mean?
We could throw that filter.
Yeah?
All underneath.
Oh, you got a bottle over there?
Always.
Okay, all right. I don't know why.
Didn't look at the data log. We were data logging while I was going, and then the laptop died, and we were just kind of like, oh, there was other stuff going on, and we just never really did
So
anything with
plus the burnout in Houston and all the other stuff he's done, it's been the same tune. So it's bottle, brother. Get your bottle. Hey, hit a harmonica with that.
Is it? Or is it? That's the good sound that you guys did there.
All right, let's rip. You're just gonna spray it from down here. Hey, we don't have time for you to tune, okay? Hey, how big of a shot do you want? Like medium? What? I don't like that. He hit it really early. I'll tell him to wait. Man, you really know how to wing that bottle.
Calibrated there.
All right, well, guys, the El Cromino runs great. even likes nitrous. So we're gonna give it back to Matt before we blow it up. But thanks for watching. Do it for Dale. We'll freak.
Or function.
What?
No, I didn't.
No, I think we all thought for a minute that it was just going to be a gimmick.
Yeah, and we did. We really thought like this is gonna be something cool that's fun to look at. Yeah, I did think it was gonna banana in the middle. It turned out on the island.
Comments below what you think the best 3 builds are that we've ever done. First person to get the top 3 right gets this hat off my head.
Jeez. The top 3.
Top 3 builds of all time. Number 3 is Hercules. Hercules. Have a lot of mud events. So I think we're going to dig a pit, put together an event, and to call out some of the best mud and mega trucks in the country and put up a big purse, like a big purse.
Like $25.
Maybe 30.
Talking a big purse.
Military axle.
Yeah.
Truck we did.
We went harder.
Mega Ram was originally going to be just a 6-door mega cab on Dodge axles, and that's when I met Steve. Steve was one of my very first mechanics. One day he came by the shop and he's like, hey, you should put salad down in Moab. Went viral because people were like, holy shit. We thought this was just a show truck. Turns out
We were beating them.
yeah, on the military axles, and it was conquering everything in Moab.
I
We
think
never even
something
tried
to
it.
note about this vehicle also is that it was running on natural gas.
Launched out on some tires. We put a picture of it, and somebody online was like, dude, that's just a brodozer. That thing's never going to go rock crawling. Some hardcore rock crawling guy said that, and I was like, okay,
I like that.
bet. Never going to
Oh,
go
you
rock
should
crawling?
bet.
Yeah.
He said,
How'd it feel? It was the first time I've
You
ever
are
used it in
hip.
a sentence.
You
yeah,
are
if
hip.
that.
And then when the next thing I did is when I made that thing lit, then I went,
Bussin'.
respectfully.
Bussin', respectfully.
How'd we do, guys?
I don't know that one.
No cap.
Here we go. This guy owns a lot of Hondas. Starts right up. And sure, the airbag system doesn't work anymore, but the seat belts do, and they work perfectly fine. And this is Tennessee, so we the production company for engines in the world. All that mileage, is it clanging and clacking? No, it isn't. The only noise you really heard was the cold air intake. He put this in his driving car. That's one of the big advantages of Hondas. You got choice of so many parts. There are so many interchangeable things you can get. You can always go to a salvage yard and you can have fun and don't have to spend much money. Not only do Honda banned by Honda Motor Company, and sure back then the Japanese, maybe they weren't so hot at painting cars. This BMW the same year. Kind of a difference in the paint there. Now this little bitty engine may only have 102 horsepower and a whopping, here it goes from a standing start. Not bad for a Ford. Realize your engine's in the back, but the radiator's in the front. And if you crush those tubes, you're not going to get coolant. Your engine's going to overheat. And plus, if you know the average American, they don't do much maintenance. So, since these have the cool wedged front, and call it Scion. It just didn't make any sense to me. But they did, and Toyota marketed the heck out of them years ago. You could see music stores, there'd be a bunch of young people there, and they'd have music blaring, giving them free Scion test rides and stuff. They marketed the heck out of them. And I was in the United States. But 2016, they only sold 12,000. The numbers just weren't there, so they decided to ditch the whole Scion experiment. So these Scions are part of a relatively rare phenomenon. A solid, well-built vehicle, and this particular one is a 6-speed standard transmission. 93% of Americans don't even drive standards anymore. So there's a market that they're not selling to. As you can see inside, they're pretty snazzy. Got some nice chrome, black, nice instrument panel. Even got